Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are already on life support, and the government may be getting ready to pull the plug. The House Financial Services Committee probably will recommend abolishing the mortgage giants. That's what the House Financial Services Committee Chairman Barney Frank signaled earlier today. And we're joined by Bloomberg News' Don Kopecki for more on this. Don, welcome to you. So what does it mean for shareholders and investors in Fannie Freddie debt?
Well, these companies are already pretty much penny stocks. And as far as the bondholders go, the Treasury Department, both under Bush and Obama, have gone to extraordinary lengths to protect bondholders. The shareholders, not so much. You can't even buy a meal at Taco Bell for what their shares are trading at right now. And Barney Frank said that all of this is going to be on the table as Congress starts debating these big issues this year.
Did Frank float any alternative proposals?
He didn't. In fact, he said that they don't know what they want to do. They want to hold hearings on it. And right now, a lot of people are gathering some support around some sort of public utility model. But this is the very beginning of the process. What this thing will look like this time next year, no one really knows. But right now, everyone seems to agree that the federal government has to maintain some stake in housing finance.
How long is all of this going to take?
Treasury Secretary Geithner yesterday said that he doesn't think Congress will be able to enact anything until next year at the earliest. So this is just the beginning of what's likely to be a very long, very painful, very drawn-out process that could roil bond markets, roil mortgage markets over the next year.
But at the end of the day, is there a model for putting together some sort of format or some new entity that'll prevent the mortgage crisis similar to what we're experiencing now?
Well, the model that they have right now doesn't work. It didn't work. Their model was built around Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. The companies accounted for 75% of all financing for home loans last year. And so what they do know is that the model doesn't work. What they don't know is what they want to do with it.
Okay, so what I was asking, Don, is if there's some new model, some new framework to model after. What you're saying no.
No, they don't have an idea. I mean, the general idea is some sort of public utility model where the federal government would give some sort of guarantee and then private companies would bear some of the risk. But none of those details have been fleshed out yet.
Okay, an ongoing developing story, Fannie and Freddie in the future. Don Kopecki of Bloomberg News, many thanks.